Hello and welcome to my Total Life Happiness channel. This channel is dedicated to helping beginners in affiliate marketing get started the right way and make their first dollar online. In today's video, we're talking about long tail versus short tail keywords. Make sure to subscribe, smash the like button and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Keywords are a major part of any campaign for search engine optimization, SEO, and it is crucial for the success of your website to choose the best keywords to target. In order to get search engine robots to detect the subject matter of your website more accurately, by placing them into different website elements such as headings, descriptions, and the content itself, you should target relevant keywords. However, ensuring that you do not over-optimize your website by heavy use of keywords is also especially important. You should use your chosen keywords sparingly so that they are almost unnoticed and natural to your readers, so that your SEO cannot end up being completely counterproductive. One of the most common tools to use for keyword research is the Google AdWords Keyword Planner. It is a free tool, required by the Google AdWords account, that provides you with keyword suggestions along with important details such as pay-per-click advertisement programs with estimated value, competition and monthly global and local searches. You'll come across the phrases short-tail keywords and long-tail keywords while doing your research into on-site SEO. Short-tail keywords are much more general search queries consisting of 1 or 2 words, while long-tail keywords consist of 3 to 5 or even more words. Web users prefer to type a longer query, for example, a long-tail keyword, into Google or another search engine while looking for more precise results in order to get more accurate results. If, on the other hand, they are just looking for a general topic, then they are more likely to enter a 1 or 2 word short-tail question. Novice online marketers may be tempted to go exclusively for short-tail keywords while searching for keyword suggestions, as these terms also carry the most traffic. It is important to remember, however, that short-tail keywords, despite the large number of hits the keywords receive, are extremely competitive. Typing '*s.e.o. into Google, for instance, will yield many millions of results, and the term has hundreds of thousands of global searches monthly. Needless to say, it will be nearly impossible to get your website listed on the first search engine results page, SERP, for that keyword. By comparison, it will be far less competitive to target a long-tail keyword that is more specific to your particular company, and the traffic generated is more likely to lead to conversions. For example, it is far more specific to target Beginner's Guide to On-Page SEO. With long-tail keywords, it is not only easier to rank highly, users who visit your website via long-tail terms are more likely to buy. This is because long-tail keyword searches are extremely descriptive, so consumers often know exactly what they are looking for while searching, as opposed to short-tail keywords, which are mostly used in the early stage, maybe when studying before buying, to search for a product or service. In conclusion, long-tail keywords usually give a far greater return on investment, ROI, than having to compete with a large number of large corporations that have something of a monopoly over them. Opportunities for short-tail keywords are also worth looking at. But you'll have a long game to play. In the form of long-tail conditions that drive the most valuable traffic to your website, the fastest returns can often be found. How to choose the right keywords for long-tail? You'll need to find the right ones to suit your online marketing strategy now that you know how long-tail keywords will help your search engine marketing campaign. Although Google AdWords Keyword Planner is a great place to start, it is definitely not the only resource that you should be using to conduct your keyword research. In reality, a great place to start searching is your own website. Since your website is likely to contain loads of copies that are highly important to your market, just by reviewing your content and coming up with a list of short phrases of about 3 to 5 words, you can get excellent keyword ideas. Simply asking friends and family is another great way to generate long-tail keywords. Create a scenario, such as seeking a company-relevant service or product, and ask your friends what search words they will use. You're going to get some unexpected and worthwhile results. Try it. Will short-tail keywords still be targeted? Although short-tail keywords are typically highly competitive, this doesn't mean you shouldn't pursue them as well. It is also, after all, possible that much of the traffic from the search engines to your website will come from short queries. Although the most valuable traffic, i.e., visitors that eventually become customers, is generally more likely to come from long-tail keyword searches, short-tail keywords are still relevant for driving traffic to your website and raising brand awareness. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button and hit the notifications bell, so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.